Hello, friends. If you're over 60 or care for someone who is, what I'm about to share could change the way you think about breakfast forever. You see, one simple food, when eaten before 8 o'clock a.m., may help slow leg muscle aging by up to 10 years. That's not an exaggeration. It's based on real research, and it's something I believe every older adult deserves to know. Let me explain why this matters. As a physician who's spent decades caring for seniors across the country, I've seen how muscle loss, or sarcopenia, sneaks in quietly. There's no warning sign, no pain, just a gradual sense that your legs feel heavier, your balance isn't what it used to be, and the walk across the living room feels just a little more uncertain than it did last year. This decline affects millions of older adults. It's one of the leading reasons people end up using canes, walkers, or even needing full-time care. But here's the good news. It's not inevitable, and it doesn't require expensive medications or extreme workouts to fight back. The real solution? It starts in your kitchen. More specifically with what you put on your plate first thing in the morning. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 simple, affordable breakfast foods backed by science that help rebuild and preserve leg muscle strength. 5 practical morning habits you can start tomorrow to boost balance, circulation, and confidence in every step. If you've been skipping breakfast or relying on coffee alone, I urge you to reconsider. Your legs and your independence deserve better. Your leg muscles are silently shrinking unless you actively protect them. It's called sarcopenia, and it begins subtly after the age of 60. According to the National Institute on Aging, adults can lose up to 33% of their leg muscle mass within just 10 years if nothing is done. But here's what makes it even more dangerous. There's no warning sign, no pain, no fever, just gradual weakness. You might start to notice heavier legs in the morning, nighttime cramps, needing your hands to push off the couch, or feeling just a little more unsteady when you stand. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But you can do something about it, and it begins with how you start your day. The 5 best breakfast foods to protect your legs. After 60. I've spent decades helping older adults stay strong, independent, and mobile, and one of the most powerful tools I've found is breakfast. But not just any breakfast. Let me walk you through 5 powerful foods that can truly make a difference. 1. Whole eggs. Eggs are one of nature's most complete muscle-supporting foods. They're rich in amino acids, vitamin D, B12, choline, and leucine, a key trigger for muscle repair. A University of Illinois study found that seniors who ate 2 eggs a day for 8 weeks saw measurable improvements in leg strength and balance. Pro tip: eat them boiled or gently scrambled with veggies like spinach or tomatoes. 2. Chia-topped oatmeal. Oats provide long-lasting energy and help reduce inflammation with their beta-glucan content. Chia seeds add magnesium, potassium, and omega-3s, all of which help prevent leg cramps and support muscle function. For a great start, combine cooked rolled oats with chia, banana slices, and blueberries. 3. Banana. Nature's electrolyte medicine. Bananas are packed with potassium and vitamin B6, supporting muscle contraction and nerve signaling. A Harvard study showed that older adults who regularly ate bananas had a 33% lower risk of leg cramps. Note: for those with diabetes or kidney issues, choose underripe bananas or consult your doctor. 4. Greek yogurt. This is a protein powerhouse, with up to 17 genes of protein and leucine per serving. It supports muscle repair, bone strength, and better balance. Probiotics also enhance nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation, both critical for aging legs. Choose unsweetened options and add berries or chia for extra benefits. 5. Salmon or fatty fish. Rich in omega-3s, EPA and DHA, high-quality protein, and vitamin D, salmon helps reduce inflammation and support muscle retention. One study found that seniors eating 2 servings of fatty fish per week retained 27% more leg muscle than those who didn't. No time to cook? Smoked salmon or a good fish oil supplement can help too. The secret superfood combo: steamed sweet potato plus Celtic sea salt. Simple, yes, but powerful. Sweet potatoes provide steady energy and key minerals like potassium and magnesium to reduce cramps and support healthy leg function. Celtic sea salt, unrefined, contains over 80 trace minerals your muscles need for coordinated movement. A French study showed this combo improved balance by 41% and cut fall risk in half over 90 days. Try it warm, 10 minutes before breakfast, with a glass of water. 5 morning habits to keep your legs strong and steady. These small routines can make a major difference. 1. Start with warm water plus Celtic salt. Rehydrates you, balances electrolytes, and prevents muscle cramps. 2. Do a 3-minute balance exercise. Simple leg lifts help engage the thighs, calves, and hips, areas prone to weakening with age. 3. Avoid jumping out of bed. Sit up slowly. Rotate your wrists and ankles to gently restart circulation. 4. Get early sunlight. Just 5 minutes at the window can naturally boost your vitamin D, essential for muscle and bone health. 5. Never skip breakfast. Even something small like half a sweet potato or a boiled egg can prevent muscle breakdown and set your body up for a more balanced, energized day. I've seen too many patients lose their mobility and independence not because of disease, but because of neglected daily habits. It doesn't have to be this way. With just a little attention each morning, through food, movement, and sunlight, you can reclaim your strength, restore balance, and walk confidently into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. If you found this helpful, please like this video and share it with someone you care about. These small changes can be life-changing, and every senior deserves to know. Let me leave you with this truth. Muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. Yes, aging changes our bodies, but you have more control than you think. The right foods and a few simple morning habits can slow, stop, and even reverse the decline in leg strength and mobility that affects so many older adults. Today you've learned 5 science-backed foods that nourish your muscles, boost circulation, and improve balance. 5 daily rituals that take just a few minutes but can help restore your confidence, independence, and ability to move freely. So here's my challenge to you. Tomorrow morning, try just one of these tips. Start small, but start. Because every step you take today protects your ability to keep walking tomorrow. I'd also love to hear from you. What will you eat for breakfast to support your legs? Share it in the comments below. Your experience might inspire someone else who's struggling and searching for hope. And if this message helped you in any way, please like this video and share it with someone you care about. It could be the gentle nudge they need to reclaim their strength too. Your legs carry more than your body. They carry your freedom. Let's keep them strong together. Until next time, stay steady, stay strong, and stay hopeful.